Welcome to the city of love, art, and elegance, Paris. Known as the City of Lights, this enchanting capital is a dream destination for travelers from around the world. And when it comes to finding the perfect place to stay, Paris offers a plethora of luxurious and charming hotels that will make your visit truly unforgettable. Whether you seek a romantic hideaway with breathtaking views of the Eiffel Tower or a chic boutique hotel tucked away in the charming streets of Montmartre, we've got you covered. Number 10. Four Seasons Hotel, George V. Our journey begins with the Four Seasons Hotel, George V, a five-star luxury hotel located in the heart of Paris. Built in 1928, this Art Deco landmark is nestled in the Golden Triangle, just off the historic Champs-Élysées. The hotel boasts oversized suites with magnificent views of the Eiffel Tower, 3 renowned restaurants with a total of 5 Michelin stars, a decadent new spa, an elegant swimming pool, and a picturesque courtyard where you can unwind with a glass of wine from their extensive cellar. Number 9. Shangri-La Paris. Situated across the Seine and facing the iconic Eiffel Tower, this hotel reflects a fusion of Asian hospitality and French art de vivre. With 2 exceptional restaurants, including one with a Michelin star, an indoor pool, and a luxurious spa, the Shangri-La Paris provides a serene and indulgent escape. Some of the rooms and suites offer breathtaking and unique views of the Eiffel Tower, allowing you to wake up to the beauty of Paris each morning. Experience the best of both worlds at the Shangri-La Hotel Paris. Number 8. The Peninsula Paris. Located just 400 meters from the iconic Arc de Triomphe, this 5-star hotel offers a range of luxurious amenities. The Peninsula Paris features a world-class spa, a 22-meter indoor pool, and a rooftop restaurant with stunning 360-degree views of the city. With its beautifully decorated rooms and suites adorned with artworks and elegant furniture, the Peninsula Paris combines modern comfort with classic French charm. Don't miss the opportunity to dine on the La Clabre Terrace, one of the largest outdoor dining terraces in Paris, or savor contemporary French cuisine at l'Oiseau Blanc, the hotel's rooftop restaurant. Number 7. La Réserve. Our next entry is La Réserve Paris, a 5-star hotel and spa situated just off the Champs-Élysées. This luxurious establishment offers a perfect blend of elegance and tranquility. With a bar, spa, wellness center, and an indoor pool, La Réserve provides a haven of relaxation in the heart of the bustling city. Indulge in culinary delights at the hotel's restaurant, Le Gabriel, led by 2 Michelin-starred chef, Jérôme Banquetel. For a contemporary gourmet journey, head to La Pagode de Cos, another exquisite restaurant within the hotel. Experience the epitome of refinement at La Réserve Paris. Number 6. Nolinski Paris. Our 6th entry takes us to Nolinski Paris, a 5-star hotel located in the prestigious First Arrondissement, just a stone's throw away from the Tuileries Garden and the renowned Rue du Faubourg Saint-Honoré shopping area. This hotel features a lavish spa complete with a pool, sauna, hammam, and massage rooms where guests can enjoy the finest beauty products. At Nolinski Le Restaurant, created by the hotel's executive chef Philip Chronopoulos, you can savor delectable dishes. The Grand Salon offers a serene ambiance for relaxing with soothing teas, enjoying Mediterranean cuisine, or indulging in late-night cocktails. Nolinski Paris really is the epitome of luxury and sophistication. Number 5. Le Meurice. Now we have Le Meurice, a 5-star luxury hotel located in central Paris, opposite the enchanting Tuileries Garden. This iconic hotel offers a 2-star Michelin restaurant, a spa, and a fitness center with luxurious massage treatments. The rooms at Le Meurice are elegantly decorated in an 18th century style, featuring Louis XVI furniture, air conditioning, soundproofing, and opulent marble bathrooms. Indulge in gourmet French cuisine at the hotel's restaurant, led by renowned chef Alain Ducasse, or enjoy a cocktail accompanied by live jazz music in Bar 228. Number 4. Cheval Blan cParis. Our next entry takes us to Cheval Blan Paris, a hotel that has found its home within the landmark La Samaritaine. With its restoration involving nearly 600 artisans and an impressive display of global art, Cheval Blan Paris is like stepping into a living museum. The hotel offers sleek rooms, most of which overlook the Seine, and a 7th-floor Art Deco brasserie and cocktail bar, Le Tout Paris, where you can enjoy a lively atmosphere. The subterranean spa, helmed by Dior, is a haven of relaxation. Don't miss the opportunity to embark on their spa cruise on the Seine, a unique and unforgettable experience. Number 3. Prince de Galles, a luxury collection hotel. Welcome to Prince de Galles, a luxury collection hotel, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Paris. With its prime location just 200 meters from the famous Champs-Élysées Avenue, this hotel offers a truly luxurious experience for your stay in the City of Lights. Step into a world of elegance as you enter the hotel's Art Deco-inspired lobby, adorned with stunning mosaics that transport you back in time. The rooms and suites, featuring a seamless blend of classic and contemporary design, provide a haven of comfort and sophistication. Indulge your taste buds at Akira Back, the hotel's exclusive on-site restaurant. This gastronomic Japanese venue is the first European establishment of acclaimed chef Akira Back and promises an unforgettable dining experience. For those seeking relaxation, the hotel offers a fitness center and a hammam, where you can unwind after a day of exploring the city. If you're in need of some pampering, indulge in a rejuvenating massage treatment at an additional cost. Whether you're here for business or leisure, Prince de Galles, a luxury collection hotel, will exceed your expectations. Number 2. Le Bristol. Stepping into Le Bristol is like stepping into a world of refined luxury. With 190 completely renovated rooms and suites, this iconic hotel offers an unforgettable experience in the heart of Paris. But what truly sets Le Bristol apart is its exceptional dining tradition. Prepare your taste buds for a culinary journey at their world-class restaurants, Epicure, 114 Faubourg, and Le Jardin Français, where renowned chefs craft gastronomic delights that will leave you craving for more. As you explore Le Bristol, don't forget to immerse yourself in the tranquility of their lush 13,000-square-foot courtyard garden. It's a hidden oasis where you can escape the bustling city and find a moment of serenity. And for those seeking a touch of indulgence, the hotel's iconic rooftop swimming pool offers breathtaking views and a perfect spot to relax and unwind. Le Bristol Paris is not just a hotel, it's an experience that combines history, elegance, and impeccable service. From the moment you step foot inside, you'll be transported to a world of sophistication and charm. So, if you're looking for an unforgettable stay in Paris, Le Bristol should be at the top of your list. Number 1. Hôtel de Crillon, a Rosewood hotel. Step into a world of timeless elegance and modern charm at Hôtel de Crillon, a Rosewood hotel, an extraordinary destination in the heart of Paris. This legendary hotel underwent a 4-year transformation, emerging in 2017 as a stunning postmodern masterpiece under the prestigious Rosewood brand. What makes Hôtel de Crillon truly special is its ability to blend the best of its storied past with the audaciousness of the present. The refurbishment thoughtfully preserves the hotel's historic essence while introducing exciting new features like the chic bar, the trendy barbershop, and the exquisite Lecrin restaurant. Not to mention, the suites personally designed by the iconic Karl Lagerfeld are nothing short of jaw-dropping. Indulge in luxury beyond compare at Hôtel de Crillon. After a day of exploring the city's wonders, unwind in the Les Ambassadeurs Lounge, where Parisian elites gather for live music and an impressive selection of over 100 champagnes. The new spa, with its indoor heated pool and beauty treatments inspired by generations of French grandmothers, offers a haven of relaxation and rejuvenation. For history buffs, style enthusiasts, and discerning travelers alike, Hôtel de Crillon is an experience worth splurging on. Embrace the spirit of French hospitality and immerse yourself in the allure of this global icon. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.